Hi, welcome to Jolo's Hangout. Today, I'm going to show you a Lego Technic set. This is for ages 7 to 14.
Oh no!
And the Lego model number is 42027. And at the back here, there's another set. And this is the set that we have. And yeah, you can combine them both.
What does it mean, Peter?
And let's open it now.
Oh no. What careful, careful open. Oh, what's inside? Lego, where is the 4 wheels? 4 wheels? Oh, geez,
They're
Lego!
one bag, one little bag, sticker, and this piece thingy, poster thing. It's a little book, and of course the manual. Types of Lego Technic parts that you can use. And this thingy. These are the spare pieces. And this is the desert racer. It has a hook here, so it's like you can tow things. And you can open this up. There's a steering wheel here. Red lights here for the transparent red pieces. And no lights here. More lights here. And here's the bottom of it. Nothing really special about it. Here are the stickers, and it says over here, pull back, and it really is pull back, like that. Very fun, and you can also make a ramp, and then it does kind of work too. My experience of building this was very complicating and confusing to me because this is my first Lego Technic build. And for example, in the manual here, it's just like regular normal Lego bricks, but there are holes inside it, and you put rods and other things into it. Yeah, it's very nice. Also, this piece over here is it's only one piece, one big piece. Go to the very end, and then over here, that's the piece over here. And what it allows you to do is that orange part over here, you put the pieces there, and then it gives you the ability to make it a pullback. There's some orange here, if you can see. Very nice. It's eating the chip. It can also fit in a minifigure, for example, Batman. From the last Lego review. And the good thing about it is it doesn't fall off the minifigure. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.